In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use walking directions in Google Maps. Whether you're planning a quick stroll across town or a longer city walk, these steps will help you get clear, reliable directions tailored for walking. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer, make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if possible, enable location services so the map can understand where you are. This helps with accuracy and makes the experience smoother from the start. Next, enter your starting location in the search bar. You can type a full address, a place name, or a landmark. If you're beginning from where you are right now, you can use your current location. As you type, Google Maps will suggest matches. Picking one of those suggestions often reduces typos and ensures the route is calculated to the correct spot. Now, press enter on your keyboard or tap the search button if you're on mobile. The map will center on that location and place a pin, giving you a visual confirmation that the starting point is correct. Click Directions to open the Directions panel. This is where you'll see fields for the starting point and the destination, along with different travel mode icons. Think of this panel as your control center for the route. Enter your destination in the destination field. Again, start typing the address or place name, then select the correct result from the suggestions. Take a second to confirm the destination is the right one, especially if there are multiple places with similar names. Above the route options, click the walking icon. It looks like a person walking and sits alongside other travel modes like driving and transit. Selecting the walking icon tells Google Maps to prioritize sidewalks, footpaths, and pedestrian-friendly routes rather than roads meant for cars. Google Maps will display the walking route on the map. You'll typically see a solid blue line for the recommended path, possibly with alternate routes in grey. Check the estimated travel time and distance and glance at the route shape to make sure it follows streets and paths you're comfortable with. If multiple options appear, choose the one that best fits your needs, such as avoiding steep hills or busy intersections. Finally, scroll down to view the detailed step-by-step directions. You'll see each turn and landmark listed in order with distances and street names to guide you. Read through them to get a sense of the walk before you set off, and refer back as needed to stay on track. That's it, you now know how to use walking directions in Google Maps with confidence.